Today is Friday, December the 28th. We got hit yesterday and last night with a heck of a snowstorm. And the snow was packed so tight because the wind was blowing. It was so wet, the snow yesterday. I just spent the last 3 hours. I tried to turn my truck around back there, and I spent better part of 2 hours digging it out in four-wheel drive even. And everybody's been in their hiding houses. I see they've all come out to eat here now. And the little guys are there, and the big guys are down on their hay bale down in the field down there. But there's all the little guys eating their stuff and their hay. Yeah, I'm 1,200 feet from the road, and it's drifted in about 3 feet deep. Most of the area on the driveway down below. And the greater bank looks, by the binoculars, looks like it's about 3.5 feet high and 30 feet wide. And yeah, we got quite a bit. There's Mr. Goose. Yeah, I tried to turn my truck around because I've yet to fix my snowplow truck yet. I need a new carburetor and an alternator for it. And I just haven't been there. And it's got a flat tire down there too. There's the big guys. It's 18 degrees Fahrenheit, but it feels like it's 20 below. There's the cows. The big heifers eating their hay. They're all icy and frosty from the wet snow and blowing snow last night. They take cover in the bush. But yeah, we got hit good. Here's where I was stuck. And I had to shovel like crazy and get turned around in here. And the snow is so hard, like look, I can almost stand right on top of it. Yeah, I don't know how long before I get dug out here. I got to get my plow truck running, but I have to. I've been so sick. I haven't been able to work on the truck and all kinds of things. But anyway, that's an update for today. Yes, Mr. Goose. Yeah. Lots of snow. And it feels, the wind has died down, but it feels like it's 20 below out here with the dampness. And that's the last of my firewood, so I have to get plowed out sometime here. The trailer is right buried. The other trailer down there is buried. You can barely see it. You just see the front end of it sticking up in the air, the small trailer. That black thing out there in the snow. Okay, have a good evening, everybody. Take care.